What's good, YouTube? This your boy Chi World, back at y'all again with another art tutorial. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit post notifications so you will be notified every time your boy drops some heat. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. In today's video, I'm finna show you guys how to do the glow effect. You know how you make the eyes look like it got lights in it or whatever you want to do with the effect. You can do a lot with it. The first thing you want to do, you want to come over here and create you 2 blank layers. Alright, go to the layer on top, get out the color white, and then you want to, wherever you want the effect to be, you just draw on top of the picture. See, on my picture, I want the effect to be like over his eyes, so I'm gonna just do this little effect like this. You can make it more neater. It just depends on what look you going for. So after you do that on the top layer, you want to come to the layer that you created under it. What you want to do is you want to come up to effects, go to blur, click this first one right here. Let's see, we'll move it to like 30. Let's see how that look. Okay, we can move it down just a little more. So we're gonna go back, go to blur. Okay, I think that's a good one. Bluish color. You select the color, you just want to come over here and just draw behind lines. Another thing you can do too is you can select the color white, and then you can just come in a little bit more on top of the white. And there you have it, you guys, how to do the glow effect on the eyes or whatever you want to use it for. You can use it for a lot of things. You can use it for like lights on cars or lightning strikes and stuff like that. Go ahead and hit that like button, comment, subscribe. More heat coming soon, and I'm out this thing.